Hi, my name is Victoria Beard, and I'm a professor in the Department of City and Regional Planning, and I'm Associate Dean of Research in the College of Architecture, Art, and Planning. Congratulations on being admitted to the master's program. Some of the faculty are making these short videos to introduce ourselves and to introduce you to the department. I wanted to use the time in my video to talk to you about the international work that happens in the Department of City and Regional Planning, and specifically about the area of concentration in international studies and planning. So a lot of our faculty, even if they don't consider themselves central to the area of concentration in international studies and planning, they do international work and work all over the world. They work in Latin America, they work in South Asia, Southeast Asia, they work in Africa, they work in Germany and in Europe. So we have faculty that work all over the world. I would have to say, though, one of our most exciting international resources in the last several years have been the number of international students in our program. We have students from all over the world, and I think that makes for a really interesting intellectual environment and a really fascinating cohort. So your colleagues will come, your colleagues, your cohort, your alumni class will come from all over the world. My research is interested in those parts of the world that I refer to as the global south, or cities in developing countries. Many of these cities have a colonial past. They have massive rural to urban migration, rapid urbanization processes happening. They're grappling with issues of inequality and access to core services, so water, sanitation, energy, transportation, housing. And many of these cities have a unique demographic structure as well as an urbanization of poverty, so rising rates of urban poverty, high levels of urban informality. So I teach the course on international institutions, for example, which is one of the required courses in the area of concentration in international studies and planning. As my colleague Linda Shai mentioned, Cornell has tremendous capacity in international scholarship and in international planning. We have the Einaudi Center, which is a cross-campus center that brings in faculty from many, many different departments who work on international issues. We offer many foreign languages that aren't offered on other U.S. campuses every semester from the beginning to the intermediate level. There's seminar series in many of these centers. The Center of South Asian Studies, the Center of Southeast Asian Studies has weekly seminars on these different geographic areas. So I think Cornell just is an amazing place in terms of looking at issues related to the environment, social sciences, and design, and looking at these from an international perspective, or doing a deep dive into a particular geographic region, or looking at these issues comparatively. But we're here, we're working, and as you think about what you want to do in terms of graduate school or next steps, we're available to you. So you can reach out to us over email, and we can set up Zoom meetings or Skype meetings with you, or talk to you on WhatsApp. But definitely, if you have any questions about the program and how this fits into your career plan, sort of the next step that you're taking, we are here and we are available. And we all look forward to meeting you in person soon. Thank you.